So welcome everyone to Gift Call. It's not Wednesday, it's Thursday. What else is possible? Okay. I have a question for all of you. How much have you made this reality significant?
So much.
This much? This much or this much? Like this much.
Yes.
Everything that is. Will you now twinkle times a considering? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, college, boys, boys, and beyonds. Whose structures are those? Everything that is. Maybe we can have a shorter call so that you can just breathe and relax. I know in the starting it's like, okay, how many structures and whose structures are you using to make this reality significant? Are you choosing? Or and how much do you fight it? How much do you bear it? How much do you adjust yourself to be in this reality? Everything that is. Will you not strangle times a Godzillion, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, all nine short boys for assignment. Yes, Navya. Right out of your mind.
I know what a way to start the call. I'm like, what to do with this? In times where it feels very, very real, and I know it's not true, but in the moment where it feels very real, what do I do to deal with it?
How many VVRs? It's like vibrational virtual realities. How many VVRs? Sometimes we are also, we are, VVR के अंदर भी VVR होता है. That's what I wanted to say. So
Mm.
how much of that, suppose you're destroying or breaking one VVR, but there's still other intact. And that is also
Okay,
an illusion.
okay,
How much of that are you using? All the structures creating that, will you destroy into times of Godzilla, please?
yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, coalition, boys, boys, and beyonds. If it helps, do 19s and 20s and see what shows up. When it's like you're doing everything and it's not changing.
Yeah,
So 20 is for the VVRs, right?
yeah.
I have to, I'm just asking that, right? So,
Yeah, we
how
can
many
check it.
structures and
Yeah.
whose structures are we using to make this reality significant and real? Are we choosing? All that is terms of Gaussian. Can you distinguish those, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, what, calling should boys, boys, and men. One more thing is like, how much are we fighting all the time with this reality and in this reality? So, who or what are you fighting for or against? That if we didn't fight for or against it, would allow you to be all of you. Everything that is, will you distinguish on, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, what, all nine shots, boys, boys, and men. Yes, you go.
So in the moment, Monica, I do 19 and 20s, is it?
Yes, and after the call, I will be also going through the manual again and reconfirming on the group. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And I poke and pod all the VVRs in that moment when it feels
Yes,
very, very
and
real.
one more thing that I have been doing is everything created this.
Yeah, yeah,
Everywhere I created this, I
yeah,
destroy it all because everything is your creation. Whatever
yeah.
is going on in your life, whatever is suppose something is going on in my life, that is one of my creations. So everywhere I created this, and everything I chose that allowed all of this to exist. I destroyed all times of Godzilla because this is somewhere when I am coming to the I am the source. I chose that. Either consciously or unconsciously, but I'm not making that significant. But yes, whatever is there in the present moment, everywhere I chose that, I destroyed it uncreated now. Right, wrong,
Thank
or
you so
bad,
much.
all night shots, boys, for our segments. So welcome. Yes, Juhi.
मैम मनी शो अप होता है, क्रिएट भी कर लेती हूँ, पर वो जो कंसिस्टेंसी होती है ना कि आज हुए कल हुए, मतलब वीकली हुए, फिर 2 वीक बंद, फिर 2 वीकली, सो वो चीज नहीं आती। एंड क्लाइंट का अगेन इंक्वायरी आके स्टॉप, वो भी थोड़ी
See, first of all, ह्यूमनॉइड्स जो होते हैं ना वो इनकंसिस्टेंटली ज्यादा वर्क करते हैं. कंसिस्टेंसी हम लोगों के साथ वर्क नहीं करती. And what if that inconsistency you can use to your advantage? Suppose you're looking, how can I be more consistent? But how can I be more inconsistent? That will add to your money. Means आप चाहते हो कि एक consistency रहे, but what if it is so inconsistent that the graph is going up and up and up?
हाँ, तो
Everything that
बेसिकली हाँ,
everything that doesn't allow you to be inconsistent. Will you not destroy your times of God's healing, please?
यस,
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online shots, boys, provides, and beyonds. Everywhere you're making clients more valuable than you.
यस,
Your business more valuable than you. Many कुछ बहुत लोग हम लोगों का होता है, बहुत लोगों का होता है. Oh, if there is money, then I'm good. If there is no money, then I'm not so good or I'm not that. But what if your value does not depend on your business, your clients, or money? All the structures in the Big Five creating that. Will you now destroy equal times of God's healing, please?
यस,
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, should boys, provides, and and everywhere. You value people on those terms. अगर उसके पास पैसे तो like that person is, if the person is rich, that is a good person, that is a valuable person. Will you now destroy equal times of God's healing, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys, provides, and beyonds. What else?
स्पीचलेस.
What else is possible now? Yes, Sonali.
या एक्चुअली मेरा एक सवाल था, लेकिन उसके पहले जब जूही ने पूछा ना कि व्हाट, लेकिन वो कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए, तो द इमीडिएट एनर्जी वाज कंसिस्टेंसी, सो बोरिंग.
I know. And how many, जैसे we all humanoids, we love sudden things. Like suppose आप plan करते रहोगे वो चीज फिर होती नहीं है. But if like, oh, I would like to do that and choose that, it's if you're inconsistent, you create greater and greater. So my question is, where are you limiting your creations by being consistent?
वाओ,
Everything that is, and everything that doesn't allow you to choose and be inconsistent, will you not destroy equal times of God's healing, please?
यस,
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys, boys. It means what if parents told you doesn't work for you anymore? Like you know that, but how much are you willing to acknowledge that also now?
यस,
How much do you hate consistency and you are asking for consistency?
वाओ,
Everything. And see, interestingly, many of us, I was also reading this quote yesterday or day before yesterday. If you really loved money, you would have way more money. But if you don't have ease with money, acknowledge that you hate money. Right?
वाओ,
That pot pock. All 9 shots, boys, provides and beyonds. Interest. See, you are hating something and still asking for that. What does that create? Conflictual universes and conflictual paradigms. So all the
How to
conflictual
overcome
universes,
with this?
all the conflictual universes and conflictual paradigms that you are functioning from, will you now destroy and create all those times of God's healing?
यस, यस, यस,
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys, provides and beyonds. I think within 10, अभी तो 10 minutes we're all start fry होना
पूरा फ्राइड.
How
नहीं,
does
मेरा क्वेश्चन भी उसी के ऊपर है. सो देयर इज सो मच रिजॉल्व that is happening, like, I acknowledge, like, there is so much change already, and yet there are times where कि वो joy missing लगता है. Like, there is so much more achievement is there, इतना change है, resolve है, step up है, all that is happening. And then there comes a point where like there is a sense of being lost, like कि suddenly लगता है ये कहाँ आ गए, like ये क्या हो रहा है, वो वाला space. And वो joy नहीं, like you know, there's a sense कि बाबा ये joy कहाँ है, like you know.
पहली बात तो हम एक्नॉलेज कर सकते कि हम गलती से इस प्लान पे लैंड कर गए थे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट इज ट्रू. we unintentionally landed on this planet. And when that joy is missing, who are you being?
Oh my
Whose universe are you in? See, it's like how many times, even if you're just thinking about someone, thoughts की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, उस टाइम पे हम हम हर थॉट कॉन्शियसली नहीं वो करते हैं. जब भी आप किसी, even if you're thinking about someone, you're into their universe.
yeah.
तो जॉय तो चली गई. Everything that is. How many universes are you in right now? Truth.
6.
And everything that doesn't allow you to be totally present in your body.
Yes, please.
Will you not destroy all times of God's healing, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock. Online shots, boys, boys, and well, interestingly, sometimes what we tend to do is we try to find problems with the people universes so that we can clear that, heal that, facilitate that. We try to understand why they are doing what they are doing.
Yeah.
That is where you are stuck, because you're trying to understand why they are doing or why they are not doing what you want them to do. Both the ways. Control freaks तुम है, इसमें कोई शक नहीं. It's like sometimes it's a, उसको समझ नहीं आ रही है, उसको दिख नहीं रहा है, मतलब ये वाला बात है ना point of view. I have that awareness. Why can't this person see that? And the moment you go into that question, the moment you have to understand other person's perspective, you get stuck in their universe. And that is where you are like, I'm not feeling me. The joy is not there because you're stuck. Everything that is times of God's healing, we will destroy it all, please. Right,
Yes.
from the bad pot pock, all nice shots, boys, boys, and
हमें दिख रहा होता है मैम कि वो परेशान हो रहे हैं, हम देख रहे हैं, लेकिन दैट पर्सन इज एंजॉयिंग दैट एंड वो
that
चीज
is,
हमें खाई जा रही है.
that is fifth element.
हाँ, हमें वो चीज खाई जा रही है.
Yeah,
So
because
not-
literally now these days matlab itne log, like you know, they are calling me, they want to, like you know, get facilitated, and मैं बात भी करती हूँ, and after a point, like you know, after like 10 या 15 minutes they are like इतना blah 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 story. I'm like मुझे नहीं सुनना है यार, ये question क्या है तुम्हारा? And what you said is right, because I was like, इन लोगों के साथ there is so much presence, खुद के साथ वो presence क्यों नहीं होता है?
जब मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, ओके, डू यू नो व्हाट दैट अदर पर्सन वांट्स, यू सेड आप कहोगे यस, बट व्हेन आई आस्क डू यू नो व्हाट योर बॉडी डिजायर्स, यू विल गो इनटू थिंकिंग. अच्छा सोच के बताती हूँ.
Yes.
एंड दैट रीच फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. आप सबको पता होगा कि घर में सबको क्या चाहिए, लेकिन आपने कभी, यू हैव नेवर एवर, आई हैव आल्सो डन दैट. मैं ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया है. मुझे मतलब समटाइम्स मैं चिल्ड्रन, बच्चे कहते हैं आपको तो पता ही होगा ना, यू डू इट ऑन योर ओन. But I have never asked, body, what do you require? What do you desire? What kindness can I gift to you?
Yeah.
So that is somewhere. Now, what if now is the space? Now is the time to be more present with you.
Yeah.
The more you let go, or the more you destroy the, I can't think it. Fifth element इतना strong हो जाता है कभी-कभी that you tend to leave your body and facilitate other bodies,
Yeah.
even if they're not asking for that.
Yeah.
Everything that is times a Godzillion. In every way you decided, concluded, or that was perpetrated, that is the thing that has to be done in this reality.
Yeah.
That is how you survive in this reality. Will you not destroy all those times of Godzillion, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all I shots, boys, words, and beyonds.
लोग भी तो ऐसे क्रिएट करते हैं ना, जो आते हैं कि हमको बचाओ, हम तो बेचारे हैं.
हमने तो कुछ क्रिएट ही नहीं किया ना.
नहीं, हम ही क्रिएट करते हैं, वही तो बोल रही. लोग भी तो हम ऐसे क्रिएट करते हैं आजू बाजू,
How
जिनको.
much does that validate your existence?
Oh my God.
Everything that is. Everywhere you are like keeping all these people around because their need of you will make you feel valuable.
Yeah. वो destroy करना है.
Everything that is.
Yes.
Everywhere you feel validated when people need you.
Yes.
You now destroying all those times of God, Jillian, please.
Yes. मैं वही बोलने जा रही थी कि हमें चाहिए कि लोगों को हमारी जरूरत होनी चाहिए एंड
All
आपने
the
वही
needs of being needed that you're functioning from, will you not destroying for all that times of God, Jillian, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys, provides and beyonds.
अभी जैसे देखो हम लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं सैटरडे को एंड लाइक हाउ इट हैज बीन. अभी सैटरडे को ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं ना, ट्यूसडे मंडे ट्यूसडे से पूरा उसमें वही स्पेस में चली जाती थी मैं कि अभी ये लाना है, ये पैक करना है, ऐसा है. अभी मुझे लग रहा है हम सैटरडे जा रहे, कुछ भी नहीं किया है अभी तक. हम जा भी रहे हैं कि नहीं, बॉडी लाइक आर वी गोइंग. इट्स लाइक सो डिफरेंट कि ऐसे लगता है कि पता नहीं ट्रैवल करने भी वाले हैं कि नहीं है. कोई अभी तक वहां से कोई जुड़ा ही नहीं है. Like this is such a different reality.
See, the more you're destroying the structures, the more your way of creating, the how you function will also start changing.
Yes, yes.
So start acknowledging now you have to function differently. And what new way, what will work for me now? Ask this question. Suppose create, जैसे आप class create करते हो या अपने business को कर रहे हो या whatever is like, ask now how can function? How do I function now? What can I create now? Which is more easier for me? Which works for me now? What works for me now? Sorry. Right, wrong, good, bad, what, pop, all in shorts, boys, provides and beyonds.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Raj, you're next.
एक तो ये बोलना था, हमको क्या कहीं ना कहीं तारीफ सुनना पसंद होता है, इसीलिए ऐसे लोगों को हम क्रिएट कर लेते हैं हमारे यूनिवर्स.
Okay, and that is also what? Validation, approval.
वैलिडेशन.
Yes.
And validation is when you're functioning in this reality. Like you're trying to prove how good I am so that people validate you. You're trying to become more and more perfect. And that is a judgment. How much energy, how much your powers are you using against you? Everything that is Sam's God's in a video destroying it all, please. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys, provides and beyonds. Okay, what do you love about being validated? What shows up with that? What do you love about being validated?
मतलब अच्छा लगता है, बस फीलिंग गुड,
And everything,
हैप्पीनेस.
okay. Anywhere or everywhere, happiness depends on validation. Will you not destroying all those times of God's please? What if your happiness does not depend on anyone or anything? Everything that is, will you destroy it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys, provides and beyonds.
माय सेकंड क्वेश्चन, वो अभी हम लोग 2 मिनट पहले बात कर रहे थे ना मनी के एरिया में कि या तो मनी ईज आता है, इट मींस यू लव, और अगर वो नहीं आता है या कोई स्ट्रगल है तो इट मींस यू आर हेटिंग. तो ये जो भी है कॉन्फ्लिक्चुअल यूनिवर्स है, so how to overcome with this universe?
Simple. All the conflictual universes that I am functioning from, all the conflictual universes that I have in regards to money, I destroy and create all that times a godzillion. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online shots, boys, provides and beyonds. I was asking, I think in the morning I was listening to बहुत सारा pre-listening का मिला दिन की क्लास से पहले. So I was listening to one of the calls in that, and it was very interesting. How many PRs do you have of money that you took from your mother? How many PRs are from your father in regards to money? PR is presumptive reality. In everything that is. And all the electromagnetics, will you not destroy into all those terms of God's alien, please?
Yes.
Later on, with bad, pot, buck, all 9 shots, boys, forwards, and beyonds.
What is this conflictual universe? Can you explain?
कॉन्फ्लिक्टिव यूनिवर्स ऐसे होता है कि सपोज मैं कहती हूँ कि मुझे ये चीज चाहिए, सपोज आई वुड लाइक टू हैव 10,000 रुपीज टुमारो, ठीक है। दूसरा मेरे दिमाग में पॉइंट होता है, अरे वो तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, इतनी जल्दी कैसे पैसे आ जाएंगे। एक तरफ तो मेरी वो आस्क है, दूसरी तरफ मैं उसको कैंसिल भी कर रही हूँ, रेजिस्टेंस है। दैट इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्चुअल रियलिटी। कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आपको पता है ना, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है जैसे, उसी तरह से कॉन्फ्लिक्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटीज भी हम क्रिएट कर देते हैं, कॉन्फ्लिक्चुअल रियलिटीज भी हम क्रिएट कर देते हैं इसी तरह से। ओके ओके पूजा, यू गो नेक्स्ट।
Hi,
Thank you
Monica.
so much.
So my question is that when we destroy any forms and structures from our life in any area, so how does it affect our body?
Go more with that. What else?
Like for example, if we are doing the clearings for so many things, especially where I felt the changes is when we destroy and create all the structures and all the form structures and significance. So I could feel lots of changes in my life, but at the same time my body is not coping. Maybe my body is not coping that change with ease. So
Ask
how
your
it is
body,
this relation?
ask your body to catch up with your being. Sometimes it's like your being is far ahead and your body is not connected with the being.
Okay.
First of all the comfortable distance that you have between your body and your being, will you not destroy and create all that times of Cillian?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all in short, spoils, forwards, and beyonds. Truth. How many entities are there in your body that doesn't allow you to be more conscious, your body to be more conscious?
2.
Okay, and how many portals do you have?
None.
Okay, any demons? Truth.
No.
Any demons? Truth.
No.
Does your body has any demons? Truth.
Yes.
Can you
Yes.
see the difference?
I didn't get it.
Interestingly, I was sensing that. I was like, I asked, framed a different question. This is
Okay.
where you are. हम जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछा कि, okay, do you have any demons? You said no. And that no was also like, okay, that was the truth. But there was this sense that I was getting, there is something more. And I asked a different question. Does your body has demons? Can you see there's a disconnect between the being and the body?
Okay. So when you are asking from being a being, I am giving you the answer no. But when you ask like a body, then my body said yes.
That is yes. Interestingly, वैसे तो this like whenever we ask the question, that is usually with the body.
Mm-hmm.
There is something there that was creating a separation.
Okay.
Do you think that is all the separation that you created, or that is all the separation that is one of your coping mechanisms to survive? Will you now destroy
Yes.
all that times of Godzilla, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, and girls. See, sometimes it's like बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ होता है कि ओ मुझे ना I cannot bear that pain, so हम check that.
Sorry?
तो हम चेकआउट कर जाते हैं क्योंकि वो दर्द हमसे झेला नहीं जाता। तो कहते अगर हम अवेयर रहते तो ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी लगता है, मतलब इट इज टू इंटेंस फॉर मी। Gary says consciousness is not always comfortable. It is uncomfortable and it can be intense as well. तो यहाँ पे आपको चूज करना है, what would you like to choose now? Being more conscious, even though it is intense, or checking out
More conscious, being more conscious.
in everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, no, be receive that. Will you not destroy and crawl that times of God, Cillian, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong,
Yes.
good, bad, pot, pock, all and shorts, spoils, provides, and beyonds. I would highly, highly recommend start prioritizing you in your every choice. What
Right.
would I like to choose today? What choice can I make today for me? Like you are doing things for everyone. Start with you first and
Okay.
see how much your body will also start choosing more consciousness.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Thank
Thank-
you.
Thank you. Anyone, any more questions? Okay. So, how many structures and whose structures are you using to validate, to sort of, to make this reality significant, are you choosing? Everything that is, will you destroy and create all times of God's healing, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, bads, and beyonds. In any way, you have a point of view that if there are no structures, I would be lost. I would not know how to function in this reality. Like, this is my, वो कहते हैं ना कि एक हमारा GPS system हो गया ये, that allow me to navigate, वो जिससे मुझे navigation आती है. Everything that is, will you destroy all times of God's healing, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, provides, and beyonds. Yes, Sonali.
आपने वो सही पकड़ा. आई वाज लाइक यार ये गूगल कहाँ डिसअपियर हो रहा है, कोई तो डायरेक्शन दे दो, मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, क्या करूँ.
What if now is the space and now is the time? Where would I like to go? Body, you choose.
Yes.
Can you give the body the upper hand? Can you ask it? Okay, very different. Ask your body to override your being and see what shows up. All of you. Body, override the being. Interestingly, body's consciousness is far, far, far greater than the consciousness of the being. And it's like हमने हमेशा से उल्टा किया है. Oh, being ज़्यादा conscious होता है, being latent होता है, तो being के ऊपर work करना चाहिए. I know being is like conscious, but body has greater consciousness.
प्लीज ये वाली तो ना उसमें ग्रुप पे दे देना क्लियरिंग.
आप लोगों को रिकॉर्डिंग सुन के दोबारा से लिखना, आप मुझे लिख के दे देना ग्रुप पे.
ओके डन.
Thank you.
तो अब ना आपने जो कॉन्फ्लिक्चुअल रियलिटी के बारे में जब भी ये राज पूछ रहे थे, आपने बोला कि एवरीवेयर वी आर कैंसलिंग आवर ओन आस्क्स. हम लोग अपना ही आस्क कैसे कैंसिल करते हैं?
Suppose what you tell me, what are you asking for right now?
Ease with all the destructuring that is happening.
So when you say ease with all the destructuring, how many point of views do you have? It is not easy.
Yeah, इतना intensity है, loss, like there is sense
You are
of
asking for ease, and you have a point of view, it is not easy. That is a conflictual reality.
oh, तो ये तो हम literally हर जगह पे कर रहे हैं.
That's why I'm saying this is how we are functioning. You're asking for something, and you have a point of view that is complete opposite of that.
Oh, तो उसको क्या क्या करें फिर उसका?
All the conflictual universes, realities, and paradigms that you have. और उसमें से होगा कि 99% तो पता चलेगा अब हमारे है ही नहीं. Everything that is can be destroying it all and return to sender with conscious attached.
Yes, yes,
Right, wrong,
yes.
good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, bads, and beyonds. See, the mantra of access is all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. How many of you are like doing it? Matlab you are just saying it and not being present while you're saying it. This also goes with questions. हम कहते हैं अच्छा मुझे क्लियरिंग करनी है, वो 30 टाइम्स वाली करनी है, तो पता चला 2 से 3 के बाद आप चेकआउट ही कर जाते हो, फिर वो ब्ला 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 ऑडियो लूप चल रहा है, कुछ नहीं पता क्या चल रहा है, बस हम यस यस बोलने लग जाते हैं समटाइम्स। दैट आल्सो हैपेंस। राइट, रॉन्ग, गुड, बैड, पॉट पॉक, ऑल नाइन शॉट्स, बॉयज फॉर बैट्स एंड बियॉन्ड्स।
क्योंकि अभी जो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे सडनली जब भी आपने पूछा ना, तो आई रियलाइज कि मेरे सन का ये ना इनकॉर्पोरेशन वाला पीरियड चल रहा है, एंड ही लाइक सबका इनकॉर्पोरेशन हो गया है, और उसका है कि अभी तक मेरा नहीं हुआ। 1 जुलाई से तो मुझे वो स्टार्ट करना है, और कोई भी अभी तक जो उसने 2 जगह अप्लाई किया था वहां पे सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ। तो समवेयर मे बी आई एम लिविंग that reality is what came to me now, क्योंकि आज सुबह ही उसका पता चला, इंटरव्यू वगैरह सब हो गया था, सब अच्छा लग रहा था, ईज लग रहा था, एंड देन इट केम लाइक ही इज नॉट सिलेक्टेड। तो एकदम से उसका पूरा इट लाइक शैटर्ड काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, एंड देन ही इज लाइक अभी क्या करेंगे, 1 हफ्ते में तो 1 जुलाई आ रहा है, इनकॉर्पोरेशन नहीं होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा। सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एक तो देयर इज समथिंग स्टक ऐसे आ रहा है अभी, जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ। तो इट्स वाज लाइक अभी जस्ट एकदम से आया मुझे, टिल नाउ आई वाज लाइक नॉट इवन अवेयर ऑफ इट।
So ask your son to ask the question, what else is possible now?
क्या पूछे?
What else is possible now?
Okay.
See, the more you are in that question, the more it opens up the possibilities which were there, either you were not aware of or which were not opened yet. What
Okay.
else is possible now to open up more possibilities? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, Navya.
All these guys have asked me all the questions I have today. Yet I want to thank you so much, all of you. Yet I want to hear a little more on being present when I'm creating a conflictual reality for myself. I was aware from past 2 days there was in so many areas I'm functioning from conflictual realities.
Okay. So when it's like whenever you get aware of being in a conflictual reality,
Okay.
who am I being when I'm
Okay.
creating this? If you are creating this, first of all, you have to also ask, is that your creation? Truth. Yes or no?
Yes, everything is my creation, no?
That what you're saying is like, I am in a conflictual reality from the past 2 days. And when I ask you the question, is that one of your creations? Truth, yes or
Yeah.
no? Or are you in somebody else's reality? Truth.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because when I asked, I had the awareness.
No, yeah, yeah,
So this
Yeah.
is how things goes.
yeah.
So, and what is not yours, you cannot change, you cannot destroy and create.
Hmm.
Everything that is. So whose reality are you trying to resolve? Everything that is. Will you destroy and create on please?
Yes.
How many people, right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, all in shorts, boys, boys, and beyonds. So all the big fives and structures creating that. Will you destroy and create at all times a godzillion?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, all in shorts, boys, boys, and beyonds. See, this is what we've learned since childhood. So resolving other people's problems, clearing them, like healing them, or like taking care of people around us. But what if now you can let go of the fifth element that you have been functioning from so long? Everything doesn't allow you to be more selfish. I know being selfish is so wrong. Can we not destroy all that time? So Godzilla, please. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, forwards, and beyonds. Are you willing to? Okay, are you willing to live for you? Truth.
Right
Who
now,
have you been living for so far?
everybody else.
Everybody else. So, what would it take for all of us to live for ourselves now? Everything that doesn't allow that, Can we now destroy real times of God's healing, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, college, or pause, pause, and beyond. What if 1 hour of every day you start giving that to you, whatever you would like to have fun with? What brings you joy? Start doing that and see how much being you becomes more easy for you. Have you all registered for the Being You free tip event, which Dana is like gifting to everyone?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. I think the link has been posted in the group, right?
Mm.
Yes, now where you go on first?
So thank you so much. You gave me a very different perspective that I wasn't aware of at all. From 2 days, I was aware of all the places I was in conflictual reality. So now when I get present to one area of my life where I'm creating conflictual realities for myself, in that moment I poke and pod and I go with the clearing, is it?
All the structure in the Big Five creating that. I now destroy real time the possibility. Right, wrong, good,
Okay.
bad, hot, cock. All in shorts, boys, for once and beyonds.
That is the way to also stop creating more conflictual realities for myself.
See, interestingly, the more you become present, what your
Then
point of
I'm
view
not.
is. Like,
Hmm.
this is my point of view regarding money.
Hmm.
If you're acknowledging a point of view or being present, you
Hmm.
won't create a conflictual reality. You create a
Yeah.
conflictual reality when you are not being present or you're not aware of what your point of view is.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You can also ask a question, what do I love about creating conflictual realities and living in conflictual universes?
Hmm.
Everything that is times a godzillion. Will you destroy real times a good? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pog. All in shorts, boys, for ads and beyonds. See, this will also help you to create less and less of that. What do you love about that?
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Any more questions for today?
हाँ, ये जो 1 घंटा सुबह निकालने की बात हो रही है, मैं बहुत दिन से मैं इसके लिए करना चाह रहा हूँ, बोलता हूँ, होता है, पर है ना वो टू बी ऑनेस्ट है ना, आलस में ये निकल मतलब जो भी है मैं एक्नॉलेज करता हूँ, मेरे ही आलस है, मैं ही सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठता और मतलब मैं चाहता भी हूँ जल्दी भी नहीं। और ये आलस में इस आलस से जब मैं जो दोपहर में शाम को जब मेरे को एकदम अवेयरनेस आती है तो मेरे को आलस से बहुत चिढ़ होता है, पर वो जो उस टाइम जो सोने का टाइम होता है सो जाता हूँ।
राज, अवेयरनेस भी टाइम से आती, सुबह नहीं आती, शाम को आती है। उसी को थोड़ा
ये
24 घंटे आने को बोलो ना उसको।
अरे वही तो
Everything that, all the judgment that you have of you. सुबह नहीं होता, शाम को नहीं होता, टाइम नहीं होता, everything, everywhere you are making time significant or relevant. Time is a concept, it is not real. सुबह को अभी तक हंसने सुना ली, सुबह को आती है, शाम को नहीं, सुबह को नहीं आती, शाम को आती है. Can we distract all times a godzillion, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all and shorts, boys, boys and beyonds. See, आपने कितनी बार देखा होगा कि आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो तो आपको टाइम का पता भी नहीं चलता. You stretch time, you bend time. So where are you making time more important, real, and valuable? We have a capacity to outcreate time. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all in shorts, boys, for ads and beyonds.
ये बात मैं बातों में ये जरूर बोलते रहता हूँ, टाइम इज ग्रेटर देन मनी, टाइम इज ग्रेटर देन
Time is
ग्रेटर देन मनी.
nothing is greater than you. Time भी नहीं है और money भी नहीं है. You are the valuable thing. You as a being, you as a body is the valuable thing.
इट्स लाइक अवेयरनेस को चिड़िया की तरह ट्रीट करते. खिड़की खोली, चिड़िया अंदर आई, अवेयरनेस आया, फिर नहीं चाहिए चिड़िया, उड़ जा चिड़िया, फुर चिड़िया जा.
ज्यादा अवेयरनेस दिक्कत करती है, सोनाली आपको समझ नहीं आता. इट्स सो इंटेंस. ज्यादा लोग अवेयर हो जाएंगे तो नहीं, ज्यादा अवेयरनेस इज सो रॉन्ग. एवरीथिंग दैट इज. कैन वी डिस्ट्रॉय इट ऑल प्लीज? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all in shorts, boys, boys and girls. Yes, now.
Thank you for your question, Raj. Really got me into my laughter zone again.
Yeah, so there are times where body easily tells me what feels light and heavy. There are times where it's like a mixed signal in what I'm getting. In those situations, how do I
See, what I do
go
is I
about?
can tell by my thing is sometimes when I don't get a clear yes or no, lightness and heaviness in my body, I do
Yeah.
quickly press three, four times so that the mind is like stop. जब mind stop हो जाएगा तो body का awareness आपको बहुत clearly समझ में आ जाएगा.
Yeah, because the mind is overpowering in that
That's
moment.
why when you do the crazy phrase, your mind stops working at that moment. But
Okay.
not while driving, while you're at home. लोग कहेंगे नहीं आपने बोला था तो इसलिए हमने कर लिया. नहीं नहीं नहीं. So please be at home while you're doing the crazy phrase, and then ask your body, what would create greater for you? What would you like to choose? This is how I ask the question with myself. If I'm like there is a continuous yes, no, light, heavy, then I do the crazy phrase first, and then I ask the question. And interestingly, I don't ask the same question the next day also. That creates a confusion. कल तो वैसे है तो आज नो आ गया, अभी मुझे करना क्या है? So go with the and awareness is good for 10 seconds. What if you can ask for more awareness? What else? What else? Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining me today. And see you
My
next.
last question of the day. My last. Sorry, हाँ.
नहीं नहीं बोलो.
मैं सबसे नटखट बच्चा क्लास का. बॉडी अवेयरनेस के बारे में, बॉडी कॉन्शियसनेस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि हम बीइंग की कॉन्शियसनेस में ज्यादा बिलीव करते हैं रादर देन बॉडी कॉन्शियसनेस पे. तो हाउ टू आई मीन more trust on body consciousness by asking what question or what home place require in this situation.
Basically, the more you start talking with your body, the more you start engaging your body in your choices. आप क्या करते हो? When you choose, you're choosing as a being. You're not even asking the body, what will be lighter for you? जब आप एडजस्टमेंट्स की बात करते हो, बीइंग को एडजस्ट, आप एडजस्टमेंट की बात करते हो, एडजस्ट बॉडी को करना पड़ता है, बीइंग को एडजस्ट नहीं करना पड़ता. सपोज आप सोचो कि ओ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मैं इस अनकंफर्टेबल बेड पे भी सो जाता हूँ, तो बीइंग को एडजस्ट नहीं करना पड़ता, बॉडी को उस कंफर्ट और अनकंफर्ट का एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. योर बॉडी एडजस्ट इन एवरी वे. सो आस्क व्हाट विल be lighter for my body, what will create greater for my body. Start including your body in your choices. Start engaging with your body more and more every day. This is how you can also start listening to your body more and more. Okay.
राज, आपका बॉडी लिसन कर रहा है, बीइंग लिसन कर रहा है, कौन लिसन कर रहा है?
Thank you everyone for joining me today.
Thank you so much. अब तो सब लिसन करने लगेगा. Thank you.
Bye bye. See you next Wednesday. Bye.
Bye.
Monica, whatever answers you
Thank
gave,
you.
Monica.
Thank you.
Monica, आप
Thank
जो भी
you.
answers देते हो बड़े दिल से देते हो यार. Thank you.
Thank you.
You share
Yeah,
things with
thank
your
you
heart.
so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.